Hello guys, I'll show you how to add a new payment method for YouTube Premium. Firstly, go to the YouTube Premium registration page. If you're eligible, you can use the option for 1 month trial. If you don't have a saved payment method, you'll be prompted to add one. You can choose from credit card, PayPal or PaySafe card. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your card or link your PayPal or PaySafe card. Account will be created and double-check that your payment information is correct, as it will be used to process your subscription once your free trial ends. After adding your payment method, complete a sign-up process to activate your YouTube Premium subscription. You can change the payment method anytime and you can cancel anytime. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.